Some added lift will be there as that big spiral comes on in to Southern Cal. Now, after that, and really later on tonight, the rainfall for California really subsides dramatically. At the same time, the snow really picks up as we go through the Four Corners, for example. So, Jennifer, still a couple of inches of rain left in some problematic locations. Some recent burn areas could pick that up, and then a lot of snow on the way with this storm system as well.
Well, that same storm system is going to be bringing all of that rain across places to the east, and some parts that could get some rain and snow would be Breckenridge, Colorado, as well as over into St. Paul. Folks in the Twin Cities could actually see a lot of snow from this system. Some skiers getting out there and enjoying it. Let's find out more about what Winter Storm Hunter is going to do as it moves into the middle of the country. And for that, we go over to Carl Parker.
Yeah, Jen, this is really going to be a 1-2 punch. And the first system is the one that's now in California. You can really see that swirl on the satellite picture. That is going to make its way into the upper Midwest Wednesday and Thursday. And we'll get plenty of snow along with that. We'll get a good bit of wind. We could be talking about blizzard or near blizzard conditions. Mostly lighter snow, but a narrow swath of some heavier snow nearer the Twin Cities there. And this is a look at the model forecast showing you how that is likely to evolve. Here's the low coming up across parts of the Midwest. You've got a lot of wind on the back side of the system there. And as you get farther to the west into the colder air, the snow is going to be more powdery, more fine, more easily blown about. So we'll see a better chance of blizzard or near blizzard conditions farther west along the western edge of that snow shield there. Snow coming through the Twin Cities through the morning on Thursday, winding down into the afternoon and evening, and then a second low develops. That's right in here. The models have been strikingly consistent about developing the low, so we know that that's going to happen. It's going to wrap cold air all the way down here into the south, so that is, yes, snow showing up in parts of the deep south, Mississippi and Alabama and Tennessee as this model sees it. And then as the storm continues to wind up here, it moves up into the eastern part of the lakes. That's Saturday morning, 9 a.m. This latest run of the European model a little farther to the east as compared to the previous run there, and a little closer to the GFS model, which has always been farther to the east. But what we're seeing here is a lot of wind and snow coming down Saturday morning, a real mess of things in many areas of the Midwest and even Mid-South, and then it winds down slowly going into Saturday evening. So the European model, as of its latest run, showing the heaviest swath of snow from the western end of the Ohio Valley up through Indiana into northwest Ohio, whereas the GFS is still a little farther to the east, more towards Ohio and western Pennsylvania. And keep in mind, there's also potential for significant icing, especially there in western parts of Tennessee and into Kentucky. Jen, over to you.
All right, let's talk more about this storm system and what it's going to bring to the south. Rain